Hello, in this video we are going to look at handling a GET request using a form in Python. So we got this CGI program, fantastic. Make sure you got this. And now we're going to modify this so we can accept some form values. So first of all, you want to import CGI and CGI TB modules. Now you want to create a form, and this variable will basically allow us to access the value. The field is called field storage. This is a method within Python. And now we just do username. And you might be thinking, username, where's that coming from? We're actually going to construct a form very soon. So bear with me. So we just do form. The name that you set for your username, which will be username. Again, just bear with me. You get the value. I'm going to copy that, and because we're going to have two inputs, it's going to be email address and username. Email address. And now we're just going to print it out. So here, we're going to do print. You could enclose the variables within, like a print tag with other HTML tags and to style it and all of that good stuff. As an extra task, I want you to do that. I'm just going to get it working and print it out. And here will be email address. Obviously this won't work at the moment. We need to create a new file, and I'll save it. I'm going to call it get file. So get file, and in here what we are going to do is do a basic doc type. So this is a HTML file. It doesn't have to be a HTML file. It could be, I guess, a Python file, or even a PHP file that has an HTML form on there that submits. But just for simplicity, we're gonna let's make it a HTML file. We're gonna have an HTML tag, and in here we're gonna have a head tag. Again, just the basic structure of a website. In here we'll have a meta tag, which will just set the character set, and you'll set it to the really famous UTF-8. So now we are going to put title, and this will be epic title. And now we're going to do body, and we're going to do form, and the action is just the file that we want to go to. And for us, it's in the same directory, so we just put file.py. If it's in a different directory, just put the correct directory. Method will be get. If you are interested in how to do post, watch this video, and we'll be extending this to do post requests as well in the next video. So in here, we're just going to create a little basic form saying username, and then you're going to have input, and this input will have, it's going to be a type of text, the name, and this is what this name right here, this username, is what is referred in here. So if you change this, you would have to change it here as well. So just bear that in mind. And now we're going to break the line, copy that, do email address. Again, it could be any sort of form that you want. This is just a very simple form, but it's just to illustrate how to use form data with get, or any sort of get request, really. Form that is the easiest and best way of doing it quickly. Type, this is going to be a submit, because this is going to be a button that allows you to submit it, like so. So if we save that, go to our website, and we need to go to this one first, because this will call the other one. So get file.html. So we got these buttons. So if I type in Khan, which is my name, type in hello at hello, clearly my email address, click submit. This takes us to the file.py file. So let me just snap it over here. So it's taken us to here, and what it does is it gets this, creates this form, field storage, then it gets the username and email address values, which are in the URL, because get values are sent via the URL. then it prints it here. And this is all on one line because it's just a very simple print. And like I said, as an extra task, I'm going to enclose it into, you know, HTML tags. And you're thinking, how do you enclose a variable? We've already covered that with strings and the advanced printing tutorial, so feel free to go back and check them out. And obviously, if I were to, let's say, change the value here, let's say Farhan, or like Farhan 7, and then it has that value right here. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we are going to cover post methods, and I look forward to seeing you then.